Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily allow email posting in Google Groups. Let's begin. So once you're inside Groups, I want you to head over here, click on My Groups, click on the group you would like to work on, then go to Group Settings. From here, make sure you are in the General tab, all right? First of all, you actually need to have the admin rights to change this feature, right? So scroll down and you will see this option under posting policies, allow email posting. So currently I have this by default on. You can simply toggle in between and allow this. All right. So it will say in here to let members reply from their email client. Check this. Otherwise, the only way to make post will be to see the web user interface. So go ahead, allow this option, email posting, and basically you are done. Don't forget to save changes over here, refresh, and that's it. That's how you can easily allow this feature in Google Groups. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.